guys, welcome to Clustertruck. I played the demo before actually. Oh, and this is a full version. I'll go for 7.5. $7.5 was 15. No, 50 off. Maybe not exactly 50 off, but let's get into the game, shall we? It's a game where you jump on trucks and don't fall on the floor. Stuck to the floor is now actually. It's cool. Hey, cause the Wii is complete. Oh no! That's out. That's loud. Ow! Don't care about the noise. Ow! Oh no! Shift to sprint. Ouch! Well, even the first level is all. To sprint. Yeah. Oh come on! I'm in. Place. Which place am I in? Never mind. Oh my! Shift to sprint. Know that. I know that in the original game. I did it! Almost there. This will be a fast escape, right? And hey bro, what you doing? Whoa! Awesome! What? Yeah! Speed bonus. Done. Yes. Oh yeah, I'm energetic today. What? You scored 0. My God. Oh, the rank. I'm 39,396. No, what's this escape, right? Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on, isn't that too much for a third level? That was awesome! Ow! I hit the floor, I hit the wall. Ow! I can't stand. Oh. Well, I could use sprint. Oh, just get close to the goal. Yes. Just friends. Oh no. I'm alone. I have friends on my Steam account. Oh! Almost hit the floor! I almost hit the floor! And I won! That was awesome! But still, I'm 43,420th. Doesn't mean I'll beat the world record. Ow. Okay. Oh no! What is this? Nah! Suck. Ow! What the heck is this? Oh! Yes! Now get to the goal! Who's a track champion? Come on! Waiting. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's how I win. Jump to the finish mark. Yes. Look at my rank. Ooh, those are the worst. I have 0 score. Awesome. 0 score. Ow! My. That was awesome! Ow! I'm becoming the master of this game in a way. Ouch! I'm not becoming the master. I'm becoming the loser of this game. Oh no! Look, I can on the truck. Yes. What? I guess stay the truck until it hits the rock. It hits there, so I should go this one. Yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Never mind. I said never mind because I don't want to suicide. That was awesome. Now I was going back to the truck. Maybe don't use sprint too much actually, because I don't think that gives it winning. Even hitting a wall loses? Come on! I mean, developers, this is flawless lava game. That wall is lava. I'm sorry guys, your camera's laggy. And bam, that's how my camera looks. I have to buy a new microphone. Sometimes it's causing better microphone, sometimes it's causing worse microphone. It's not time. Sorry, this is loud. I'm sorry. Ugh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. How did I forget about this? Oh, does it have slow motion? Come on! Now how can I make my landing better if it don't have slow motion? Ow. Well, this is... Oh, that was awesome. Okay. And our trucks can crash. Almost. Oh, come on, almost. Yes! Finally! See the main menu actually. We haven't completed the World 1 desert, so we have to. And then this is the end of the video. If it's too short, I'll continue. This new video will end up like 17 or 15 minutes long, so. Let's see. Oh, okay. These are a safe place. What is this? Man, I should have seen a video. I should have gotten it even if it's $15. Hey truck, where are we going? Go to the victory! Don't hit this rock! No! You're going the wrong way! Are we? No! Don't yes! We went over the finish! I did not notice that. 1-8. If it becomes 2-1, we have to stop the video. Reverse tracks. Level fail. Come on. Reverse trucks, toilas, trucks versus trucks. That's the game called. Oh yeah, I was at the floor. Now the last thing for the video. Come on. Then I continue tomorrow, I guess. Oh no! Be right back, going to the bathroom. I went to the bathroom. I guess you have to wait for it. Like, never mind. It's not this. Wait, oh, okay, then I'll start. We're going upstairs. I just forgot about it when I'm in the bathroom. Ow, I hate the wall. My face hurts. No. I'm not able to use shift today. I used it before I paused the recording, but I since my hands are a little bit wet only. Why? Look at the air time. Oh, okay, I'm almost there. Ow. Oh, those trucks died. I have to go fast before the trucks die. Jump wisely, come on. On this truck. Oh no, oh no. Yes. Yeah. Oh, 110. Okay, we're gonna continue. Oh god. Is it a little bit rough for World 1? Is this a tutorial? There should be a tutorial. I mean, this is at the start, I meant. But it doesn't show much. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. I'm holding W the whole time, and I'm not having ASD. Yes! That was achievement! Locked in the road! Are you kidding me? Oh my! Oh, we finished! Okay guys, I think that's enough of the video. We'll finish the campaign. How many worlds out there anyway? 2 worlds. When we finish them, hopefully we'll go to the custom maps. I don't know about this. Oh yeah, it's prayer time, so to mute a little bit. Audio. So guys, have a good time there. And if this video is too short, don't worry, I'm gonna do there. And